Hi, good people. So this is Dr. Botfix. I'm actually having a line here. All right, thank you. So this is Dr. Botfix. I want to show you the tools that you might need while starting a repair business. That is, be it a computer repair business or a phone repair business. I mostly specialize on computer repair. So most of these tools that I'm going to show you are actually some of them can be shared, of course. Things like they're electronics, of course. They share almost everything. Yeah, they share almost everything. Yeah. So phone repair business, that is except for some few that I'm going to inform you. So we will start with. Let me show you the first tool that I'm using. Just a minute. Okay. All right. We're having the multimeter. I recently bought this multimeter. It's the O1XDM 1041. It actually has 55 counts. I like this multimeter for one thing is that I can actually use it on my OBS studio. So I'm actually currently running OBS, and you can see the multimeter is actually showing on the screen. This one, eh? Yeah, I'm actually running OBS, and you can directly connect it to the computer, and it perfectly works. Okay, so you don't have to probably use a camera to connect it or to show the display uh, every single time. Okay, now I'm using these probes, the mechanic probes. The ones I'm using to run it are the mechanic probes. I can't really remember the model, but I think they are high quality probes with the interchangeable tips, so the tips can be removed and be replaced. Yeah, so here we have the tips. Okay, secondly, I'm having this automatic screwdriver. I wouldn't buy this. This, if I were to buy it again, yes, of course, I would. This one, I don't know. It doesn't have a brand. Actually, I have bought two of these one. This was the first one I bought, and it got damaged. Recently, I also bought this one, and it got damaged. Probably, I would like you people to suggest for me the best automatic screwdriver I could use. If I were to buy this one again, no, I wouldn't buy these automatic screwdrivers. Okay, next let's go to my rework station. I'm using the iPhone A9 Pro. iPhone A9 Pro. This is actually a good rework station. Okay. It has very rapid heating. This one is already 450 degrees, so it will detect automatically when you remove the handle, or when you take it back. It will detect automatic and get it back. So it's actually a good iron station. Okay. I would buy this again and again and again because it has actually served me. I've used it for less than around 6 months and actually like it. Okay. All right. My hot air station, I'm using the Mechanic. This model, I don't know which model this is. The Airnova, I don't know which exact model of Mechanic this is. Yeah, so this is the one I'm using. It's quite a good uh, air station. All right. The soldering station. This is not really a tool, but it's also a good. Uh, I don't know which model this is. Asahi solder. Yeah, of course. Some people ask me which type of camera I use. As the Emit, I'm using this Emit S600 for most of my videos. It's actually a good camera, so it is the one I'm currently holding. Then my what? How do you call this? Yeah, microscope. I'm using the Tecribol scope. This one. It's actually not so much complex. I'm having some light issues, so it's actually not that powerful or complex um, microscope. But of course, it does it the job. It has the electric. This is doesn't also have a company. Uh, it is a camera, the microscope camera. Of course, it has also been serving me quite well. So good. I'm using the comp. The comp I'm using is a custom-made PC, also running quite well. Then I'm using the Sugon 3010P, which is also good. I would actually buy it. I upgraded from this one. This is the Jinyang, the 35D, which is quite actually good, but it doesn't have the features, as many features as this other one. Okay, because this one has overcurrent protection here. It has quite a number of memory slots at this point, but this one doesn't have. This is the Godak 95 2B. This is the one I upgraded from this one. Yeah, so actually started from somewhere. This one and had it to this one. Yeah, I think we're done. This is a program I use, the XGushu T48 T48. This is also a good one. Yeah, so they're actually serving me quite well. Of course, yeah, it's a good setup, huh? It's a good, nice setup. It's a good job. Yeah.